Hello everyone, welcome to How I Fix It. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace or install M2 SSD in Dell G7 7790. To disassemble the laptop you will need only Phillips 1 screwdriver. And also you will need plastic tool. Links to all necessary tools left in the description. Turn the laptop over and remove all screws on the bottom cover. Next, take a plastic tool and open the laptop cover from the bottom of the case. Disconnect the battery cable to remove electrical discharge from the mainboard. Dell G7 supports SSD type of M2 NVMe storage. In the description I left link where to buy M2 SSD for upgrade. Also in the description there will be a link to video where I explain the difference in types of M2 SSD drives that works on SATA Peribus and M2 NVMe which work on PCI Express bus. If you still don't know what type of drive you need, I recommend watching this video. After installing new SSD, you will need to transfer the old operating system to a new drive or install new operating system. In the description I leave link to a video where I will show you how to transfer Windows OS to new SSD or how to install new operating system on new SSD drive. Well, that's all. You are on How I Fix It, and see you guys next time.